Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Frances. I make beauty, lifestyle and a whole lot of other videos that you would definitely be interested in. So please do consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button down below and also hitting the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, okay? How I created this look. Alright, we're going to be creating it in this video. So if you're interested in this video, please do stay tuned. And also, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. I'm starting off with my brows. I'm using a spoolie to brush up my brows. And I'm also drawing the outlines of the brows with Davis brown pencil in color 3 or number 3. I'm actually following the brow technique of Zaron, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a bit. And I'm using a clear lash glue to just, how will I say it now, stretch out my brow hairs, like to stretch everything out. And this is her technique actually. She uses either a brow gel or soap or just something that would help pull it up and make it dried. So I'm just pressing it in with the tail of my angled brush and then filling the areas where I need to fill in with the brow pencil. This will help the brows stay put all day, like it will not shake, it will not move. So I need to say it here that brows are not twins, they are just sisters. They can't be identical. Anyway, some people's brows are actually identical, but mine, they are not identical. Like no matter how I try, they don't end up being identical. So I've just resorted to the fact that they will resemble, but they can't be identical. One will be good while the other one will be something else. I'm highlighting the brows with Eyelegthening Pro Concealer in Fawn, like so.
What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool. Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my bro.
So I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base, and then I'm going to set it with Maybelline setting powder in medium deep. If you watch my last video, you notice where I was complaining that this powder was not helping me. I was just looking like a semi-ghost using this powder, so I found a use to it. At least I can use it in setting my eyeshadow base. Then for my eyeshadow, I am going into this my blush palette. I was actually going for red, but I did not find red in my palettes, so I decided to go with this kind of pinkish eyeshadow, and I'm using it at the outer corners of my eyes, and then I'm blending it out with this yellow eyeshadow so that it will just give me a smooth transition.
Ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me
I'm taking this mocha from the Zaron Cosmetics eyeshadow in F, and I'm using it to just darken things a little bit. cut my crease, I'm using the Eyelegthening Pro Concealer in Fawn. And then I'm taking this orange shade and I'm using it at the outer corners of the cut crease so I can make sure that there are no harsh lines and everything is smooth and transitioning well. I'm then going into this yellow color and I'm using it as part of my main color and I'm blending it in with a flat brush. I'm just tapping it and I'm making sure it also blends well with the orange.
For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions.
So I'm just doing finishing touches. I'm going back in with the mocha. I'm just trying to make sure everything is well blended. For my liner, I am using the Milion Pauline eyeliner.
Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me.
For mascara, I am using the Zaron Eyelegthening mascara.
'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me.
I went off camera to fix my lashes because lashes is work to me, okay? For my primer, I am using the Zaron Oil Block Mattifying Primer. And I'm going to leave it to dry a little bit before going in with my foundation. And I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in truffle. And I'm using a brush to blend everything into my skin.
What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
I'm using a beauty sponge with no products in it to just blend the areas where the foundation meets my hairline. To highlight my face, I'm using the Eyelegthening Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm highlighting areas where light will normally hit my face.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back.
To contour my nose, I am using my foundation and I'm just trying to blend the outlines out. I'm going to use a brush to do that.
Just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition.
To set my highlights, I'm using this powder palette from Ministar and I'm just tapping it into the areas where I highlighted on my face. For my contour, I'm using a dark brown shade and I'm using it to contour my face like so.
What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
For my under eye, I am using the orange and yellow I used on my lid.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it.
For my waterline, I'm using the Naked Gel Liner.
Answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition.
To set my entire face, I am using the Avour Cosmetics powder in number 25. For my lips, I am using the Jordana pencil in Brown Rage, and I'm using it to line my lips. I went in with this nude lipstick. I can't remember the name, but I'll leave the name in the description box below. I really didn't like how this turned out because I am nude. I like nude shades, but then I prefer it with gloss. I went in to highlight my face from this Zaron Cosmetics eyeshadow.
What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
And this is the final look, guys. I went in to change that lips with gloss. I had to add gloss to that lips. So if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe if you have not, and leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one.